Arkay Knitting and Dyeing Mills Limited is an eco-sustainability commitment of Polmol Group. Established in 2018, it is located at Zirani Bazar, Kashimpur, Gazipur. Validated with a LEED Gold certificate by USGBC. Constructed with reusable materials, its buildings boast green features like the usage of renewable energy, an air ventilation system for fresh air and daylight, energy-efficient machinery, LED bulbs, accumulation and usage of rainwater and solid waste and wastewater management. For its noteworthy performance, Arkay has achieved numerous prestigious awards and accolades, and thus renowned buyers worldwide trust Arkay as a reliable manufacturer of knit fabric. Arkay's workers who live nearby the factory enjoy going to work on foot or bicycle, and for whom a cycle stand is present. Arkay prioritizes its workers with optimum attention. They are provided with canteen and dining facilities, free medical checkups, free medicines, and get their salaries through ATM booths. The Workers' Participation Committee is of utmost importance here. Through this committee, workers' rights and responsibilities are established at the factories. With fire exits, auto pumps and auto sprinklers, Arkay's firefighting preparation is on par with world standards. Arkay has a modern water treatment plant to reduce the hardness of underground water it intakes through its deep tube wells for fabric dyeing. It has a 1.5 megawatt captive power backup facility to ensure uninterrupted power supply to all the operations, and a robust solar power system are also in effect. Arkay's exhaust gas boiler, EGB with economizer, produces extra steam, recovering and reusing the gas generator's exhaust heat. This releases considerably less heat and emits less carbon. Arkay also operates a 275 cubic meter an hour effluent treatment plant that works both chemically and biologically. For this, Arkay is highlighted on the Higg index. Before production, Arkay carefully tunes the production orchestration through a pre-production meeting and successful trial production process. Using latest and reliable brand machinery, Arkay excels in producing jersey and fleece functional fabrics for sportswear in any variety, including cotton, organic cotton, polyester, viscose, modal, tencel, bamboo, etc. Its current knitting capacity is 90 tons per day. Starting from an auto-dispensing unit for distributing chemical and dye stuff in perfect quantities to the dye house, Arkay has in effect state-of-the-art European technology, enough experience and a tested expertise to ensure a clone-like uniformity in knit dyeing, and is able to dye fabrics of all sorts. Furthermore, it makes use of water-saving technology and techniques. Its dyeing capacity at present is about 75 tons per day. Apart from regular categories of fabric, Arkay can process fabrics with different finishes suitable for active wear or sportswear. It uses sophisticated machines to do fabric brushing. Arkay puts to use eminent stenter machines to set heat on stretch fabrics and other delicate fabrics to guarantee fabric stability, shrinkage, and overall GSM level. It has intelligent digital fabric inspection machines to analyze color shade consistency and to do fault mapping of every single row. Arkay uses high-tech fabric relaxation machines to result in optimum handling and utilization of tension-sensitive fabrics efficiently. Here, a huge printing facility designs and prints in a variety of shapes and colors, conducted through all-over printing, both roto and flatbed. Arkay's printing capacity at present is 15 tons fabrics per day. To ensure quality in dyeing, it seeks to maintain all along. Arkay uses top-of-the-line laboratory facility with wash test, pilling test, color fastness test, color fastness to light test, shrinkage test, and many other advanced lab testing facilities. Here, the shade of every lot of finished fabrics is verified with data color and brand color matching machines. Arkay Knitting and Dyeing Mills Limited pursues an ambitious dream to lead the market through collaboration, craftsmanship, and sustainability. Driven by genuine care and passionate innovation, it is a spiritual gesture towards its business partners, its people, and the planet.